once you look for yourself, man, okay, I really wished I would have listened to people. Like I got married when I was, I think your age. I should not have gotten married. I got socially pressured into getting married. People were going, "Hey man, are you gay?" I'm like, "I'm not gay, dude. I just, I don't let social pressure mess you around, man. Listen to people you respect, okay? Like, and that you can take home to your parents.
Right.
Like you can't just be, oh, wow, that criminal. Okay, that guy. People bitch about CZ at Binance.
Yeah.
I don't know one human being that's gotten rugged by Binance. He looks like a very legit guy, worked his ass off. There are a lot of very impressive personalities in this industry. And the key for you guys is if you try to get into the energy business, one, you don't have enough money. Two, it'll take you 3 or 4 years to get real meetings. In the payments industry, I was spending $12 million a year with one of the card payment companies.
Jeez.
I couldn't get a meeting with the CEO if I paid them.
Wow.
In this industry, call Mike Novogratz up. Hey, Mike, or email, Mike, I'm coming to New York, would like to see you. No problem, Gary, come on in, we'll have dinner. He doesn't even know me. I've never been told no in this industry.
Wow.
You give me an open door, knock, knock. What do you do? How can I help you? Oh, there's a gap. I can help you with this gap, sir. My God, man. Like, why wouldn't you want to plow yourself right into this space? And this is coming from a guy that's like, I've been in the largest industries in the world. And this will not be true in 3 years. You will not be able to call the CEO of NIDIG, like to have a meeting. Now I have a bit of a reputation. I haven't blown my reputation,
right.
But it's not easy to get these meetings. And when you can, there will be a day when this door is not open to everybody. There's just zero blocks because this industry wants to learn from other people. This is a very progressive ideas industry. Hey, the enemy is out there everywhere. It's literally inefficiency.
How many banks shut you down when you got in the crypto space?
No bank shut me down.
Really?
I've had more problems in the legacy banking. So one of the businesses I built was Chargebacks 911 is a fraud solution for merchants online. And 600 million chargeback disputes a year.
Jeez.
600 million. Okay, that's a fraudulent, massive problem. And the funny thing is, if Visa and MasterCard really wanted to solve it, if the FTC wanted to solve this, they could literally make 4 phone calls. I've told them exactly who to call, and it would go away. Half of it would go away.
That's nuts. So out of 600 million, what percentage of those are actually fraud, you think?
Less than half.
Okay, that's still a good amount, though. That's a lot.
Way less than half. Most of it's plumbing problems.
Plumbing problems.
Yeah, or cyber theft by consumer.
Okay.
Consumers buying something, buy some shoes, wears them out on a Saturday night, and then Sunday calls in for the refund.
Because on Amex, you win every chargeback.
Amex, because they're closed loop, they have both sides of the chargeback.
Yeah.
It's a very much more difficult to file a chargeback, an illicit chargeback on American Express. The funny thing about chargebacks is the payments world is a very large world. It's the entire planet.
Yeah.
The chargeback problem is only apparent and consistent and persistent and growing under Visa and MasterCard logos.
Really?
It is only in that ecosphere where you have this problem. Ant Financial cannot even come into the United States because they have no mechanism for the chargeback protection. And the chargeback protection itself is a way to keep the monopoly or the duopoly in place. And it's going to be destroyed by crypto.
Damn.
They're making so much. They're making $8 to $12 billion a year from this problem.
Holy crap.
Collectively, 20 and 30% of their total margins are made from value-added services. It has nothing to do with credit card process.
No,
It's literally fees from the plumbing. And all of that's going to move. These fees are getting so high now. A guy, an adult guy, a dating guy, a gaming guy, a gambler is paying 20% of his ticket.
That's insane.
Okay. So $100 ticket. Wow. You're paying $20. Google right now, if you do a release on this thing and you do Google and somebody sends you $200 because it was a good interview, they're going to take 33%.
Jeez.
Now that, if you guys all in political, all you guys are you Republicans, hey, maybe we need to tell Google, You're a utility, dude.
All right, guys, Sean Kelly here, host of the Digital Social Hour podcast. Just filmed 33 amazing episodes at Student Action Summit. Shout out to Code Health, sponsor these episodes, but also I took them before filming each day. Felt amazing. Just filmed 20 episodes straight, and I'm not even tired, honestly. So Code Health, amazing products. I also take these at home, especially when I traveled. I used to get sick every time I flew, and I started taking that. First time, I haven't had a runny nose, knock on wood. One standout element, it's so easy. You got the travel pack here, but you could just take this, fit it in your pocket if you need to. Also, all natural, like only saline solution in there. So you don't got to worry about any crazy side effects or anything. Yeah, Code's unique. With supplements, there's a lot of who knows what's in those ingredients. Code Health, I haven't seen much like this, where it's just based off the codes that are in the saline solution. So I would say they're very unique. It's going to be the future of health and medicine. Code Health has been awesome.
Feel the drop and go code yourself.
You cannot charge 33 cents on the dollar every time somebody gets a tip. That's heinous. If Exxon did that, what would we be doing? Rioting in the street?
Yeah.
Rioting in the street, man. What if Visa added a zero to their rates? Right now they're at 3.5 and we're bitching. 30%. Okay. Like I've stopped. I ask no one to send me money. Do not send me fiat through Google. I don't want them to prosper more from that. This is a utility now. It should be a highway, man. It should be like, oh, they get 2 cents for it. 2 cents for whatever the freaking tip is. It's just $33.
I've probably lost millions on fees now that I think about it.
Oh, for sure.
Because I take card payments and it's 3.5% plus the chargebacks and everything.
Yeah, for sure.
It's nuts. I just got my Gemini credit card. Crypto companies are launching credit cards now.
That's right.
4% cash back in crypto.
Load them up.
Pretty good, right?
Yeah. Now, so where are you in your Bitcoin journey?
So I have 5 Bitcoin. I have a lot of Ethereum, a lot of Solana. Yeah, crypto's changed my life. I became a millionaire off crypto.
Well done, man. That's
crypto's changed my life.
Dude, you guys need to listen to this guy, okay?
Yeah.
Have you sold? What mistakes have you made with Bitcoin?
Selling, yeah. That's my big... If I didn't sell, we could all say this, but I needed some liquid at the time to buy the house. But sold pretty...
Buying the house was a mistake.
It was, but...
it's good that you can have that. It's a bad investment.
8% interest.
Yeah.
On a $2 million house. It's a lot of money.
Yeah, well, the real interest is, when'd you buy it?
Last year.
Yeah. Well, the real interest is the 40% that you left behind on Bitcoin.
Exactly, yeah.
So it's 48%. And the 8% is just going to keep doing that.
Every month.
And so is the Bitcoin. So you're going to get Roger to death. You're going to be at 8. And then you're going to be at probably, I think Bitcoin goes up. If I came to you and said, hey, look, I'll do 20 years with you. I'll guarantee a 12% interest rate. Would you do that?
Yeah, 12%.
You get rich.
Yeah.
Okay? Every 2.5 years, your money would double at 12. Bitcoin will do 23+%.
A year?
A year. For the next 10 to 15 years.
You're that confident?
Dude, 86% of my net worth is in Bitcoin.
Damn.
Okay. And I actually own, I would go to Grant tomorrow. I've got, I'm in 3 or 4 or 5 funds with Grant.
Yeah.
I would take a discount.
You would get out and put in Bitcoin?
Yeah, and listen, he's paid me. I get paid every month, 40 or 50, 60 grand a month. Been a great, it's a zero hassle, no problems. But with that investment, I can't just call him up and go, hey, I want out, man.
It's not liquid.
It's in a fund.
Yeah.
Can't. With Bitcoin, that'd be a 2-minute walkway.
Plus, you could take a loan out against it.
I wouldn't even have to sell my Bitcoin. I could just call Binance or Coinbase and go, hey man, I got the 100 Bitcoin. I want, loan me $10 million, loan me $1 million.
Right.
And I'm doing that now. I am borrowing money below what you're paying for your mortgage, man. Okay. There's going to be I told Grant this. I think Grant's really understanding this now. Grant's real estate, every time he stacks Bitcoin into his real estate, he is going to wake up one day and the banks are going to give him cheaper money than the guys that are just stacking fiat into their real estate. They're going to look at the collateral that he's correlated and attached to his real estate and value that collateral more than the real estate itself because of its liquidity capability. It's instant. I can smash sell this thing on a Saturday afternoon.
Crazy.
Or I can smash it into your wallet on a Saturday and buy super cheap real estate from you because nobody else can transact on a Saturday except me. That's a big old gap.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I bought a company, spent, I think it's $4 million on a Saturday afternoon, literally bought a company with Bitcoin on a Saturday afternoon from 5 different exchanges. I think that put me in a better position than the guy that was waiting to bid on Monday, right?
Probably.
The guy on Monday, he'd already missed his target. So the cool thing about Bitcoin is that it is a settlement deal. Once I send it to you, we're done. I have no worries about anything that's going to happen after that. It's your problem. And I like that kind of finality. I restructured along with 100 different men, the entire energy platform in the United States and Europe. There's no refunds. There's no chargebacks. If a hurricane blows through the Gulf of Mexico, the market now, there's no force majeure. It's like I bought 400 million barrels of oil. You're showing up with the 400 million barrels of oil, Exxon, because we structure the market correctly.
Wherever you guys are watching this show, I would truly appreciate it if you follow or subscribe. It helps a lot with the algorithm. It helps us get bigger and better guests, and it helps us grow the team. Truly means a lot. Thank you guys for supporting, and here's the episode.